In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download TikTok videos. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up TikTok and finding whatever video is that you want to download. For example, if we're on the home screen right here, we'll just do this video right here, right? Essentially, all you would need to do is tap the share button on that video, and I know it looks a little bit differently since I am currently airplaying, but essentially select the share video and hit download on there. If the available video is able to be downloaded, you'll be able to hit download or save. It really is as simple as that. It's going to be saved to your camera roll. It does work a little bit differently for your own videos, so go ahead and select your profile to open up your profile, and then of course open up whatever videos it is that you want. For example, this one, hit the three dots on this, and then of course you'll see that same download option on there or save video option on there. Selected, wait for the download to finish, and once again it's going to be saved to your device. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.